going to show you how to make an origami dollhouse. So this is what we're making. So anyways, start off with a square sheet of paper. Begin white side up if you're using colored paper. Then fold in half. And then fold in half the other way. And then what you're gonna do is fold this edge to the middle and fold this edge to this middle, or to the same middle. Anyways, take this flap that you have and stick your finger in the middle. And then when it's like this, you're gonna open it and form it down. This is a pretty easy tutorial, so if you're new to origami, this is perfect. And also, now you have this, you're going to turn around and fold that flat up and do the same here. Okay, now you are going to have it balance out to the middle, and there's the dollhouse. So if you want to make it like more complex, actually, yeah, I don't think you can do it with this one, but anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.